Stop scrolling. If you are looking for the cutest, trendiest, and most stylish baby girl frock designs, then you are in the right place. From elegant party wear to adorable daily outfits, today's video is packed with viral baby girl fashion trends that parents are absolutely loving in 2025. So, stay till the end because the last designs are next level cute. Let's start with floral frog designs, which are trending everywhere this season. Soft pastel colors, tiny flowers, prints, and lightweight fabrics made these frocks perfect for summer outings and birthday parties. Now let's talk about A-line cotton frocks. These are not only stylish but also super comfortable for babies. Perfect for daily wear, casual gatherings, and playtime because comfort always comes first. Another big trend is bow and frill detail frocks. Cute bows, ruffles, and lace borders instantly enhance the look and give a princess vibe that everyone loves. And yes, solid color frock with minimal embroidery are also trending. Simple, classy, and elegant. These designs are perfect for parents who love a clean and modern look for their baby girls. So which frock designs did you love the most? Let us know in the comment. If you enjoy baby girl fashion, latest dress designs and trending kids wear, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more adorable fashion inspiration. Turn on the notification bell because more cute styles are coming your way. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.